Hello everyone, welcome to Math EduTop. Then let us start today's topic. Find the derivative of the inverse function of the following. Then in last video, that is in question number 1, we have find derivative of inverse function. At that we have provided the y is a function of x, means y is equal to f of x, and from that we find inverse function, means x is equal to f inverse of y. And after that we find the value of dx upon dy, that is the derivative of inverse function dx upon dy, and which is nothing but dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx upon dy value. That is we get derivative of inverse function. Here when y is equal to f of x function, in lastly we are given suppose y is equal to 2x plus 3, and from that we find the value of x, means inverse function. This x is equal to f inverse of y, means for example here we have considered y is equal to 2x plus 3. From that we find the value of x is equal to, we get 2x is equal to y minus 3, then x is equal to y minus 3 divided by 2, and then we differentiate this x with respect to y, and we get dx upon dy value. And from this dx upon dy value, dy by dx is equal to the reciprocal of dx upon dy, which is the derivative of inverse function. But here it is not possible to separate out x is equal to f inverse of y. Okay, here because product term is there, x square into e raised to x, then it is not possible to write x is equal to f inverse of y. Then in order to find the derivative of inverse function, we first find dy by dx, then first we find dy by dx our usual way, and then we write this dx upon dy is equal to 1 upon this dy by dx value. Okay, then we get derivative of inverse function. Then here product function is there, it is not possible to separate out x is equal to f inverse of y term. Then what we do, we find dy by dx, and then after finding dy by dx, then the derivative of inverse function, means here we have to find dx upon dy. That dx upon dy is nothing but 1 upon the value of dy by dx. Then in the given example we differentiate this with respect to x. Then if we differentiate with respect to x, left hand term is dy by dx, then here d dx of this x into e raised to x term, x square into e raised to x term is there. Then use product rule, u will to v, means x square into derivative of e raised to x plus e raised to x into the derivative of x square. Okay, then this dy by dx is equal to what we get, dy by dx x square into e raised to x derivative is e raised to x, plus time this e raised to x constant into derivative of x square as 2x, means here this e raised to x is common term as well as x is common term. Then we take this outside, therefore dy by dx is equal to, if you take x into e raised to x as outside, remain is here x and here is 2, means x plus 2. Then this is the value of dy by dx. But we want dx upon dy. What is dx upon dy? 1 upon this dy by dx, that is 1 upon this dy by dx is x e raised to x into x plus 2, which is the value of dx upon dy. Then for the next one example, here also product term u into v, then we differentiate first with respect to x, then after differentiating with respect to x we get dy by dx, and then here we use the product rule, means derivative of x into cos x, then use product rule, x into derivative of cos x plus cos x into this derivative of x, then x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x, we know that this, plus cos x into derivative of x with respect to x is 1, means what we get, dy by dx is equal to this cos x positive term minus time x into sin x. But what we want dx upon dy, then dx upon dy is the reciprocal of 1 upon dy by dx. Then therefore dx upon dy is equal to, we get 1 upon this cos x minus x into sin x, which is the value of derivative, that is a derivative of inverse function. Then the next one example is there, y is equal to x into 7 raised to x, also product function u into v, then differentiate first with respect to x, then we get dy by dx. Therefore dy by dx is equal to d dx of this x into 7 raised to x, therefore product rule, x into derivative of 7 raised to x plus 7 raised to x into this derivative of x, then dy by dx is equal to what we get, x is constant, 7 raised to x derivative means use the formula of derivative of a raised to x. A raised to x derivative is a raised to x into log a. Okay, then applying this 7 raised to x in place of 7, that is in place of a there is 7 means 7 raised to x into log 7, and derivative of x with respect to x we know that it is 1 means here only 7 raised to x. Then what is the common term here? 7 raised to x is common term, take it outside. Then 7 raised to x, here is 1 plus here is x into log 7. Okay, this is the value of dy by dx. But what we want dx upon dy. Then dx upon dy is nothing but 1 upon this dy by dx means 1 upon 7 raised to x into 1 plus x log 7 is the value of dx upon dy. Then question number 4, here addition, then differentiate separately, differentiate with respect to x. Then in order to find dx upon dy, then dy by dx is equal to differentiation of this x square plus we directly differentiate separately, differentiation of log x. Okay, then here dy by dx is equal to x square derivative is 2x plus we know that log x derivative is 1 upon x. If we take cross multiplication, then 2x square plus 1 divided by x. Okay, then this is dy by dx, but we want dx upon dy, that is the reciprocal of 1 upon dy by dx means what, 1 upon this 2x square plus 1 upon x. Then after taking reciprocal, this x goes to the numerator means x divided to x square plus 1, which is the value of dx upon dy. Then the last one example is here, product u into v x into log x. Then here also differentiate with respect to x. If you differentiate with respect to x, then dy by dx is equal to x into the derivative of log x plus time log x into the derivative of x. Okay, then this dy by dx is equal to, we get x into derivative of log x, we know that it is 1 upon x, there log x is constant, and derivative of x with respect to x it is 1. Okay, then dy by dx is equal to this x and this x get cancelled, remaining here 1, and this has log of x. But we want dx upon dy, then dx upon dy is equal to 1 upon this dy by dx means what, 1 upon 1 plus log x. Therefore this dx upon dy is equal to 1 upon 1 plus log x. Therefore, which is the value of derivative. Then thank you for watching this video. Like, share and comment.